Now, which are the important crops grow in black soil? So you know, black soil is very fertile, and it also holds water moisture for longer time. So because of their high fertility and retentivity of moisture, the black soils are widely used for producing several important crops. Okay. Now, the major crops which grow in black soil is the cotton. Therefore, this soil is also known as the black cotton soil. Then we have wheat, jowar, linseed, castor, sunflower, pulses. Okay. Rice and sugarcane are equally important where irrigation facilities are available. Okay. Now, rice needs and grow more, takes more than 1 year to grow. Therefore, it should grow in the area where irrigation facilities are available, and rice also needs more amount of water, that is about 75 or more than 100 centimeter. Large varieties of vegetables and fruits, okay, like citrus fruits especially, are also successfully grown on the black soil. So these are the important crops which can grow in black soil. Now let us see some of the other characteristics, features of this soil. These soils are rich in soil nutrients. Which are the important nutrients of this soil? Calcium and magnesium carbonates, alumina, iron oxide, potash and lime. Okay, these are found mainly in black soil, but they are deficient, poor in phosphates, nitrogen and humus. These contents are found less in black soil. Next is, this soil is made up of extremely fine clay particle, clay material, and that is why it can hold moisture for longer time. Next is highly retentive of moisture. Just now I said it retains moisture for longer time. Now there is one feature of this soil. It swells greatly on accumulating moisture, okay, and become sticky when wet. So in the rainy season, it becomes sticky, and then it is very difficult to work on this type of soil unless tilled immediately. Tilled means preparing the land. Immediately after the first shower or during pre-monsoon period when the intensity of rain is low. Okay, so that is the best time for this soil to be plowed. The plowing becomes very difficult in the rainy season because this soil when it became wet, it became very sticky. In summer, the moisture evaporates. The soil is seamed with broad and deep cracks. Okay, these deep cracks can be of width of 10 centimeter to 15 centimeter, even more than that. These deep cracks appear in the summer season, in the dry season. The lower layers can still retain moisture. The cracks, they are helpful. They permit oxygenation of the soil. Oxygen, the air can go deep inside the lower horizon also to sufficient depths, and this soil has extraordinary fertility even in the dry summer season. Due to slow absorption and the loss of moisture, the black soil retains the moisture for a very long time, which helps especially the rain-fed crop. The rain-fed crops are the crops which mainly depends upon the rain, okay, upon the rain, to sustain even during the dry season. So even when there is a less rainfall, these crops, they can survive, okay, even during the dry season because of this nature of black soil. It can retain moisture. So the cracks which appear, okay, during the dry summer season, that helps in self-aeration, which leads to absorption of nitrogen from atmosphere. Absorption of nitrogen from atmosphere, and thus there occurs a kind of self-plying. This aeration and oxidation to deep levels contributes to maintenance of fertility of the soils. Okay, and this continued. Fertility is favorable in the area of low rainfall for cotton cultivation, even without irrigation. Okay. And now the soil depth, the black soil depth varies from place to place. It is very thick in the lowlands, but very, very thin on the highlands. Also in the upper reaches of Godavari and Krishna and the northwestern part of Deccan Plateau, that is particularly in Saurashtra, Gujarat, the black soil in parts of Maharashtra, the black soil is very, very deep. Okay. So this is the end of today's class. In the next class, we will discuss the other important soils, their features, properties, okay, soils of India. Thank you.